promise of a lifetime starts with the discovery of a moment. It took me a while to find this story. It took me a while to know how I should say it. But now that I have, I must tell you it's special. This story is of hope, of love, and most importantly, of togetherness. So come a little closer and listen up. Not too long ago, I met someone. She had eyes sparkling with excitement and a smile that set my world on fire. She took my hand and led me on an epic journey. A journey that I hadn't imagined in the wildest of my dreams. And it would change my life as much as it would change hers. The road we took was long and winding, but between us it seemed like a joyride. We revelled in each other's company. We found strength in each other. Everything we did together. And sometimes, even as we let go of each other, it felt like our souls were inseparable. We laughed at silly nothings that we found in each other, and each of those nothings brought us closer. We walked, we stumbled, we fell and we rose. We weren't perfect. These moments we spent together were. And in these moments, looking into her eyes, I couldn't help but wonder, what if, all this while, it was her that I was supposed to find? She came to me when I'd stopped looking, stopped hoping. And in a world full of people living in the moment, she gave me the promise of a lifetime.